Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a topic that's on almost everyone's mind: burning fat and achieving that sculpted physique you've always dreamed of. Let's face it, navigating the world of fat loss can be confusing. Crash diets, endless cardio sessions, and conflicting information leave you feeling lost. But fear not, I'm here to break down the science of fat burning into simple, actionable steps you can implement today. So, grab your water bottle, put on your favorite workout shoes, and get ready to transform your body into a fat-burning machine. The science of shedding pounds. First things first, let's understand the basic principle behind fat loss: creating a calorie deficit. Imagine your body as a bank account. Calories are your deposits, and your daily activities are withdrawals. To lose fat, you need more withdrawals than deposits. That means burning more calories than you consume. The two pillars of fat burning. Now, there are two main ways to achieve this calorie deficit: diet and exercise. They work hand in hand, so let's explore both. Diet, your calorie control center. Food is fuel, but the right kind of fuel is key. Focus on whole, unprocessed foods like fruits, vegetables, lean protein, and complex carbohydrates. These keep you fuller for longer, regulate blood sugar, and provide essential nutrients for optimal health and metabolism. Check out Best Diet for You link in description. Exercise, your fat-burning furnace. Exercise is your calorie-burning engine. Here's the magic formula: combine cardio for overall calorie burning with strength training to build muscle. Muscle burns more calories at rest, even when you're not actively working out. Don't forget, consistency is crucial. Find activities you enjoy. You're more likely to stick with a workout routine you love. Beyond the basics, optimizing your fat-burning journey. Here are some bonus tips to maximize your fat-burning potential. Stay hydrated. Water is essential for bodily functions and can help curb cravings. Aim for 8 glasses per day. Prioritize sleep. When you're sleep-deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hunger hormone, and less leptin, the satiety hormone, making you hungrier and more likely to overeat. Stress management. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which can lead to weight gain. Find healthy ways to manage stress, like meditation or yoga. Alright guys, that's the key to unlocking your fat-burning potential. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. Be patient, stay consistent, and celebrate your progress. Want a personalized roadmap to your dream physique? In the comments below, let me know your biggest struggles with fat burning, and I might feature your question in a future video with tailored advice. Smash that like button if you enjoyed this video, and subscribe to the channel for more fitness tips and tricks to keep you motivated on your fitness journey.